Hi, my name is Devisri Prasad. If you are looking for the best and the most honest review video, then you are at the right place. I am an affiliate marketer. I have been into online marketing since 1 year. You can find me on Instagram by the name The Marketing DPS. Hey, wow, it's already August 13th and two big things are happening today. First, Ezlocal goes live at exactly 11 am Eastern Time or NY with a sassy early bird discount. If you are looking for a way to absolutely cross local marketing, trust me, this is for you. The second big thing, so here is my honest Ezlocal review, so which goes live the 13th of August at 11 am EST, but you can come to their sales page. So the sales page looks something like this, where you can register for a free webinar which goes live 1 hour before the launch, which is 10 am Eastern Time. So I'm here inside the sales page of Ezlocal, where you can come and see the live demo of this video. If you'll come below and you can see the demo of Ezlocals over here, and here you can register for a free live training webinar and win a free copy of Ezlocal on August 13th 10 am Eastern Time or NY. So be sure to register here, so that if you want to get in touch with me and get all the updates of new softwares that are launching every day, and I will notify you, so be sure to get in touch with me. If you click any of this link or in this blue button, it will take you to their sales page where you can register for this free webinar exclusively today at 10 am Eastern Time. Reduce the number of no-show appointments, make all clients' information easy accessible. So these are the 3 steps which you are going to learn how you are going to use this Ezlocal for your business to generate income. So here is the prices and upsells of this Ezlocal. You can see the front end price, which is one time, is starting from $37. The front end commercial, which is starting from $47, and they have some upsells. You can come and see in my bonus page, whose link I'll be providing. Some key benefits you may be interested in getting from Ezlocal. You can contactless booking system with QR codes, multi-location booking system, notifications via SMS or email, client and admin portal, accept payments through a range of payment processors like PayPal, Stripe and much more, staff and client portal, video meeting, virtual appointment scheduling, staff scheduling and management, supports multi-currency, Facebook and Instagram booking, membership, sale packages and plans to users, fully hosted by us, no website required, unlimited traffic, commercial license included, and all of this is covered by a no question 30-day money back guarantee. So you can click here to secure your copy and bonuses. Now the main part, what are the bonuses that you are going to get from me? Let us see. When you get Ezlocal now, and you can get all these my custom bonuses absolutely for free in your membership area. So once you buy, you are going to get access. How you are going to get access, I will tell you in just some minutes. So let us see what are the bonuses that I am providing. Bonus number 1, whose value is $427. So you are going to get ultimate online marketing toolkit, 150 plus free resources absolutely for free. In the bonus 2, you are going to get tips and tricks for business owners, whose value is $46. Bonus 3, whose value is $344. And this is my final bonus, whose value is $197. You are going to get free 69 copywriting resources on web. The more bonuses that you are going to get from the vendor itself, you can see. So content repurpose guide, bonus 2, new keyword swarm, bonus 3, copywriting automator, bonus 4, blogging paycheck, bonus 5, you can rank your videos. So these are some more bonuses that you are going to get from the vendor when you buy this Ezlocal. But before that, I would recommend you to come and register yourself for this live training webinar and get a chance to win the free copy of Ezlocal on August 13, 10 am Eastern Standard Time. If you are interested in learning more about this product, then be sure to check out the first link in the description of my YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching my complete honest review video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos helping you in finding the most helpful review videos and much more. I will speak to you in the next video. All the best. Take care. Bye.